So you have a bike that you love to ride. Maybe you own one of these Metro Bicycles H1s. You might have purchased it with the KevCentral exclusive coupon code, an extra 10% off, Metro Kev. But you might have one problem a coupon code can't solve. If you have a youngling that also wants to ride. Maybe you're about to head out on that perfect day of riding and then they want to tag along. And you know that's going to slow you down. But it doesn't have to, because the same company that brought you that Metro H1 at such a deal, Mendham Bikes, they have a solution for that specific dilemma, an affordable one with its own coupon code, Buddy Kev. 15% off this, a buddy for your buddy. Officially, this is the Kazam Buddi co-pilot trailer bike. A fitting summary because this is all of that. It's a trailer, it's a bike, and a way to share your ride with the co-pilot. It bolts directly to the seat post on any modern adult bike. And while you're shopping at Mendham, take a look at the Metro if you haven't already. This is a really good bike and a perfect match for the buddy. H1 or not, all you need is an adult bike, a youngling, and the buddy. Mendham has you covered with everything else. It's all in the box. It arrives with very little assembly required. And I do note, if you're having this shipped, and maybe it's a little bit of a surprise, there is a picture of it on the side of the box. Otherwise, there's not a lot to do, but there are a few things. Now, I'm not going to give you a full unboxing video, mainly because I lost the footage, but here's the gist of it. There's the accessory box. Every tool that you're going to need except a Phillips head screwdriver is included. The hardest part's super easy, and that's getting the clamp onto the seat post. Now, I have it out of the bike here. I recommend you do this with it on the bike, but it's not hard. It's 4 bolts, bolt right to the seat post. Just tighten everything down. That's an included wrench. The other wrench is this multi-wrench. It's used for putting the pedals on and putting the bars on. They slide into the only open hole up top on the buddy. From there, it's non-tool assembly. There's a folding clamp in the middle, there's a quick release seat post clamp, and it's practically ready for a rider. Now, it's been a while since I was a kid, but I'm pretty sure the younglings are gonna dig this thing. I mean, it has BMX style handlebars, BMX style grips, and look at that BMX stem. Beefy. You may wonder what this thing is. Well, that's a mud flap fender. Your co-pilot's gonna be seated behind your larger rear wheel. That's going to keep them dry and protect them from anything that kicks up. And it needs the only tool that doesn't come with the bike, a Phillips head screwdriver. One final note on getting this prep. Make sure when you put the clamp on your seat post that it's perfectly aligned with your tires. It's not going to be dangerous, but it might make it awkward for you trying to steer something that's offset. You're ready to ride 2-up the easy way. And when it comes time to solo again, that quick release clamp, leave the buddy behind. The clamp attachment can safely stay on your seat post. A clever little ride setup, and I think it looks kind of cool. It's a really good match for this Metro H1. Just look at it, and that deflector with no front wheel. If I was a kid and I was riding this thing, I'd be pretending I was on a speeder bike in Star Wars and doing it in style. Another style detail, there are 2 colors. This is the gloss black. There is a brilliant silver. Accent colors white and green. The green circles the chain ring and sweeps over the rear fender. And since we're back here, let's take a peek at this rear tire, BMX bars. It's only fitting. This is a 20-inch wheel. That's a reflective sidewall. For gearing, this is an 18-tooth freewheel. That's assuming the co-pilot chooses to pedal. If they do, those pedals are attached to actual crank arms, and there's a front chain ring. What's the payload capacity on this? Well, the sticker here says 75 pounds. The website says up to 120, so somewhere in that range. I even like the Kazam logo on the seat. How about this? I spotted a kickstand mount for a bike that definitely doesn't need one. Let me circle back to this because it's important. Leave the clamp on the seat post and then just unmount as needed. Literally open the quick release clamp, remove it, and then put it back on when you're ready to reattach. And I really like this. No worries about forgetting you have a trailer on the back of your bike and taking a hard turn. There's a bumper stop. There's actually quite a few small safety features. Reflectors on the pedals, a reflector under the seat, those reflective sidewall tires, and this. That's a mount strap for the included flag that I haven't even shown you yet. Slip it in, tighten 2 screws, and an instant bright orange waving banner. It reaches on up there above my head, and it is very visible with the Kazam logo. And there's one more safety item, and it was in the accessory packet. The Buddy comes with a powered taillight. No batteries, though. It does have a quick release mount, so changing them should be easy. I look at it, and I see they thought of everything, but you might be thinking, what if I drive my family to a park to ride bikes? Isn't this Buddy long? Not when you fold it in half, which is that quick release I showed earlier. It splits in 2 and becomes surprisingly compact. And weighing only 22 pounds, it's not difficult to move around. I found that if I hold it upside down and grab it by the down tube, I can carry it without any problem. Upside down, also an orientation that comes in handy when putting it in a vehicle for transport. Here's how little room it takes up. My car is tiny, a Mitsubishi Mirage, and this fits in the back seat with room to spare. I can fit an extra couple of backpacks in here. Once you reach your destination, fold out the trailer arm, lock it in place with the quick release, then plug the other end into the seat post clamp already mounted on the adult bike, it's ready to ride. And definitely an attention getter. Both times I've had this out filming, I was stopped by people driving by with kids in the car wanting to know what this was and where could they get one. So how does it handle with this on the back? Well, I can tell I'm pulling something, but barely noticeable. If anything, it's slightly more stable going into turns. Zero maneuverability lost and a stable platform for your youngling as long as they can grip the handlebars and rest their feet on the pedals. Kids are gonna have a blast. Just watching this footage makes me want to be back there. Showing you a co-pilot on board gets a little tricky because of YouTube rules and younglings, but I was able to come up with a solution. Meet Bert. He's gonna give us an idea of the onboard riding experience, and Bert probably weighs about as much as some youngsters. I don't speak fluent stuffed animal, but I can tell when an inanimate object is having fun, and these visuals speak for themselves. If you look close enough, I think you can see that stitched smile slowly growing larger and larger with every turn. And look at this, exaggerated riding, and this bear, it can't grip the bars, it's loosely held on with zip ties, and I had no worries at any point with Bert back there. If a loosely mounted stuffed animal can safely stay on board no matter what I do, I'm pretty confident this is a stable, fun ride for any choice of co-pilot. I spent 30 minutes filming first-person view from Bert's perspective. My niece managed to get an action camera mounted to him, but somebody, Kev, forgot to hit record. But trust me, and just look at that face. This bear loves riding on the Buddi. And when the fun's over, here's that easy removal in action. And then easy stowage for the ride home. Flag optional. I didn't use it, but it is included. My only complaint, if I hit a bump hard enough, the rear fender makes noise. But overall, this gets a strong A+. And from a parent perspective, a much more fun way to get your kids involved with your bike riding adventures without them slowing you down. That's the Buddi. For a limited time, you can get 15% off with the exclusive coupon code BuddyKev, and that's Buddy with an I. That gets the price down to $153 with free shipping. That's from MendoBikes.com. I'll put a link in the description. Kazam Buddi Co-Pilot Trailer Bike. What do you think? Comment below and let me hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching and have a great day.